What's up, guys? I know it was like 3 or 4 days ago, maybe a week at the most, that I posted a bike check, but you know, I got new parts again, so we're gonna look this over. Yeah, let's start. 2010 Mirraco Gambino frame. From the front, I'm running Sputnik Skyline bars with Poverty Recession stem, Eastern Hawkeye fork, white, and Eastern top cap. You can see that. Eastern headset, Animal GLH R tire, premium light V2 front rim, Animal MK3 peg, Primo powerbite cranks, Animal Sprocky Balboa sprocket, We the People seat, Animal Edwin grips, which you probably can't see those too well, stolen bar ends, A-clap pedals, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. I have my back rim is a Primo 7005 rim laced to a Demolition Anorexia hub. The hub is custom color, and like, yeah, I don't want to go into that, but yeah, it's custom color. FBM hub guard, and another MK3 peg, and Primo bottom bracket, and Animal ASMR tire in the back, and 210, and my front tire is 225. Alright, so yeah. Oh, and I weighed it yesterday. It's 23 pounds 7 ounces. It went up 2 pounds from my first bike check, but I like the way it feels now, so yeah. Alright. Oh, and on my other video, you can find the Demolition hub sound if that's what you're like into and you like hub sounds. Alright. Later.